So today I created an oatmeal that's gonna just bring up the memories from your childhood. I'm gonna teach you why it's so powerful to create video content where you give out small tips and tricks. Your viewers, your followers, your upcoming online clients are gonna remember you when you're just doing this fun, entertaining stuff. Just continue watching this video. Boom. So today we're gonna create the world's fluffiest oatmeal. It's gonna be created with oats, of course, but also a small secret stuff here. It's Oats, it's cottage cheese, low fat. So this stuff is gonna make it so creamy. And that's something that we like to have in our oatmeal. So it's not like this brick you had when you were a kid. You probably have a few favorite recipes, and this is one of those things that I love to eat in the mornings or even in the afternoons. And this is also something you can teach your clients how they can start loving oatmeal again. At least here in Scandinavia, I know a lot of kids are forced to eat this stuff. As usual, we're gonna weigh it. This is something I would explain to my clients, my viewers, that I always weigh this stuff so I know how much stuff I'm putting in my belly. So we're gonna, okay, this lives its own life. No. How's this possible? We're not gonna use a scale today, we're gonna use measuring spoon. So this is around 30 grams when you add this, at least with protein powder. So we're gonna do the same here. Here, we're gonna use, this is only 30 grams. This is how your kids would do an oatmeal.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 50 grams. I can just tell because I've done this recipe so many times. We're gonna add 10 more grams, like that. Boom. Okay. Then we're gonna add some banana for the sweet flavor and also for consistency. Okay, and action. It's a really, really easy recipe. This is around 120 grams. I know that because I've been having so many bananas the last couple of years. Then we're gonna add the protein powder. One scoop is 35 grams. Boom. I'm gonna add around 42 grams, and then we're gonna add cottage cheese. I know that this is around 250 grams, so I'm gonna take half, so that's 125 grams. So it's also okay just to guesstimate, just be realistic about it. So don't be conservative when you are adding some of the calorie dense stuff like chocolate or sauce or I don't know, desserts. Then be more realistic. This is sweetener, no carb sweetener. Then we're gonna add some water, and that's actually it. Then we just put it in the microwave and we are good to go. We need to add a lot of water, so the consistency is gonna be much better. The oats are gonna suck up a lot of the water, and then to make it hot, we need to also add some extra water, so it's not gonna get dry. And it takes a little bit more time to prepare this because of the oatmeal. It needs time to melt. We're also gonna add some salt. And now it's just about waiting 5 minutes. Gonna add it little by little, 1 minute, take it out, 1 minute, take it out, until it's good. We don't wanna overcook it. I'm very impatient when stuff is in the microwave, but let's have a look. So as you see, this is not Insta-worthy stuff, but we're keeping it real here, guys. We're not gonna have any fake stuff. It's gonna be like, look at this. It looks like my morning poo. Okay, I think that was around 30 seconds more, or 1 minute. Let's take it out again. So it's a slow process.
Good things come to those who wait. I guess.
Good things come to those who wait.
What do you think about meal prep services?
I think it's cool, but for most people it's probably a little bit too expensive. If you just want one meal a day, 2 meals a day, it probably makes sense. I actually just enjoy cooking my hot wings and chicken in the oven. Most of my clients, at least, they have families, so you can't really buy food prep services or meal services like that, because then you still need to cook for your kids. So if you have athletes and stuff like that, or people who want to get muscles, get six pack, and they are like younger, it makes perfect sense. Think about your segment, as I'm talking about often, and think about, would they be willing to do this? Because I don't think you can get a family to buy it. It's going to be too expensive compared to just making food for 3 or 4 people at home. Okay, that was 2 minutes. I'm so excited.
It's beginning to look like
still. So this is still something, it's not gooey enough. If I had it, I would use it. Peanut butter is like king in an oatmeal. It's adding up, like 40 grams of peanut butter is around 250 calories, as I recall. But it's so delicious, like you can just... I also heard there is something called powdered peanut butter. If you've tried it, just put it in the comment field and let me know how it tastes. I haven't tasted it myself, but it has a lower amount of fat in it. So I think if you like the peanut butter taste, it could be interesting to use that. Or maybe just use the peanut butter flavored protein powder. That could also be interesting. This is the 4th time I'm taking it out. All the water made it really just fluffy. Just gonna add some raspberries and put it like... Always get your camera guy, or if you record yourself, take the most beautiful images, like B-rolls where it's like nicely animated, and use that as the intro. That is gonna seduce people to stay watching the video. It's just like when you watch all these like contests where people are baking cakes. They're showing like some of the results and like all the interesting stuff in the beginning to get people to watch the full video. You want to do the same. Don't just start out by, hey, we're gonna record this boring stuff. Like, no, make it like this, present it. Of course, I'm not eating it with raspberries every single time, but it looks nice in the video. Raspberries, they're like $2-3 for a small package like this. I could eat in 30 seconds. Yeah. Now, when I do like this, B-roll. So what I've heard from most trainers who are creating video content where they're creating recipes is that they are eating way too many calories. Keep it at once a week and you will be good. It's gonna be difficult not to just binge eat all of it after the video is done. The banana texture with the chocolate and in my opinion, cottage cheese is a great combination.
Yeah, I didn't actually notice the cottage cheese. That's right.
Coconut flakes, peanut butter, low carb, low fat, chocolate sauce. There's a lot of stuff you can add, or salted caramel.
Salted caramel.
Just count the calories and you'll be good to go. This is like pretty decent in calories. I didn't use any fat in this one today, so I think it's pretty low in calories compared to if we added the peanut butter. Be around 250 calories extra.
If I had that for breakfast every day, I wouldn't eat until like late, very late.
Late night snack. No. Be honest, like...
Yeah, like last time. Nice, again. And I didn't get sick last time, so it's an improvement, but yeah.
Okay, that's good.